Hey Chase, here's your unit, double-sided with the bell, 2 sets of rotor crossings, the base for the unit of the pole, the top cap. The bell will mount just on the top of the cap and then put the tech screws down below. There's a grommet for the pole. And then when you make sure you run the wiring through the pole, put the grommets, then the clamp, then everything gets mounted, and run the wires through here, and then make sure you get the wires through. The wire will be marked for the bell, and then this is the power source. Power source will be marked on the cable black and red, so match up the black and the red there, and then put the clamps or the connectors once you get the wires through the pole. So you're all set here, and then basically put the wireless remote for you. A button turns the unit on. B button turns the bell on. A button shuts both back off. Or hit B button that shuts the bell back off. We'll get it out to you within a day or two. Thanks. Bye.